Hello friend, my name is Rakesh Gupta and this is my ninth video in HTML series. In the previous video, we show you some basic use of HTML list, HTML block and HTML inline, that how it should be implemented in the HTML web page. So if you are watching first time in this series of video, please watch the previous video of this series so that it would be easy to understand. So today we discuss about the following topics. So today topics is first HTML class, then HTML ID. The first of all we discuss in HTML class. So what is an HTML class? Basically, class attribute is used to specify a class for an HTML element. Basically, class attribute is used in HTML element for a specific purpose. That it should be in a class attribute we should call either for CSS or for JavaScript in the HTML program. So and also multiple HTML element can share the same class. In HTML we can use same class as for multiple HTML element in the HTML web pages. So use of class attribute. Mainly class attribute is often used to point to a class name in a style sheet. Basically, class attribute is used to point the class name or call that HTML element in a style sheet of the CSS. It can also used by JavaScript to access or manipulate the element with a specific class name. We can also use class in the JavaScript program or JavaScript to access the HTML element in the program or HTML web page. So now let us take some example to understand this concept clearly. So here we are using some element like a heading tag, paragraph tag and so on. Now we use classes in the all element. We use same class in the paragraph or heading. So I am heading demo or copy this text in all of the here. We already define a style sheet. I already explained that whenever we call the class name in a style sheet, we use dot sign to assign the class name and demo. Then use curly braces, and here I type some CSS regarding for demo class. So I am taking background color should be red, then color of the font should be I type white, then border of the heading or a paragraph, so I am taking 1 pixel solid black. Now save this file and check the output. Here I refresh this page. Here we use one coding in a HTML class and all the CSS property of that class should be implemented in all HTML elements. So basically HTML class is used for multiple purpose in HTML web pages. Here in the HTML class we use single HTML class, but the properties of HTML class should be implemented in all parts, all types of HTML element. Here if you was to type that demo and call this as a small d, and here first of all in heading tag we use capital D for demo. Now check the output and refresh this page. Here first part of the topic should be removed. Basically class name is a case sensitive, so here class name should be defined, should be clearly call the same class name in a style sheet for computing this code or a block of code of a class in the HTML element. Now if we want to use multiple class in a single HTML web pages HTML element, so here I am taking another class that is Here I am taking main dot main, and here I am taking font size. Font size should be at 50 px, and here we use main function. Here we take a space for calling that main class or multiple class in a single HTML element. So if we want to perform multiple class or multiple class in a single HTML element, then we should write this type of code to implement this multiple class. So here I will refresh this page. Here the font size of paragraph should be increases and multiple class should be implemented in the single HTML element. Now that is JavaScript. Basically we use class in the JavaScript, but we are not familiar to JavaScript, so I am giving some information about the JavaScript to clearly understand the concept of class and ID in the JavaScript program. After that, in the JavaScript series we should clearly elaborate the part of JavaScript. So first of all I am giving some basic information about JavaScript. That is, JavaScript are used in HTML element for making page more interactive or dynamic. Basically we use JavaScript in HTML page to design or dynamic implementation in the web pages and or interactive look of the web pages. Basically JavaScript is used in JavaScript is a high level programming language which is compiled at runtime of the program. After that other source code should be developed. Basically JavaScript is a high level programming language in which at the compile time it should be at the runtime it should be compiled, and after that other code, that is HTML, other code, that is CSS should be CSS or any implement or any code that should be run. Here JavaScript a script tag is used to define the client side script. Basically to define the JavaScript we use a script tag to define the JavaScript. Basically JavaScript is a client side script implement in the client side basis. The script element either contain a script statement or a point of external script file through the SRC element. Basically a script element are used in HTML. We can use either a code or any external file should be implement we can implement JavaScript as a SRC or SRC attribute. That is we save one file of JavaScript in another file, and we can call the using SRC of that JavaScript, or simply we should write a statement code in the same HTML web pages. Common use of JavaScript are image manipulation, form validation, and dynamic changes of content. Basically common use of JavaScript in a HTML page, that is image, we can either manipulate the image or form validate or dynamic changes of the content. Now let us take some example of JavaScript so that it could be clearly understand using class or ID. Taking JavaScript, here I will start script tag, or here class name is given. I am giving another class, that is paragraph, or here class would be class I am taking. Now I am using here button class, button, on which I am using on click event of JavaScript, so that I am giving here function name. So I am giving here function my function, and here we are using simply hiding HTML element. Now I am use here one another example. Here I use JavaScript concept. Now we use a script tag of JavaScript to implement JavaScript code. So here I will simply call function, or my function name should be my function. So I will call with my function to call of my function name function. and then curly braces should be given, and here var should be a declared for variable, and I am taking as a document dot get element by class name. That is class name. I am giving example. Now I am taking for loop should be where I equal to 0, then I list should be x a dot length, and then I should be increment. Array of AI I am giving a style sheet, then display should be none. I am hiding, so I am taking none. Close this bracket and script. Here I am declare function and my function. Function basically declare to call the function which I have declared on the onClick event. So I am giving here my function, and then I am taking var for variable declaration for a, and document dot get element by class name is. Now we check the, first of all save this file and now check the output. So here we refresh the page. Here on the bottom tag we use hide element for displaying, and when on the click event when we on click on the bottom tag, him the paragraph should be not display. Here the content should be erase or hide. So this is a basic concept of class attribute in the JavaScript. So next topic should be ID. Basically HTML ID attribute is used to specify a unique ID for an HTML element. Basically in the ID we use a specific ID for different element. We cannot use multiple ID in the same different or in multiple HTML element. An ID should be called in a single or a single wise for one element. So let's check the ID concept. So now heading tag, and then I should write ID and that is demo ID. Now I am using here style sheet. Now for calling of the ID we use has to call the ID function in the program. So we are taking hashtag and demo ID for calling the ID element, and now I am giving him font size should be 60 px or color background color should be green. Now save this file and check the output of this. So here first refresh this page. Here the content of the ID should be displayed in a specific region or in JavaScript. Basically ID is a uniquely identifying the HTML element. Here ID attribute is also displayed. Here the displaying we use both here paragraph and heading should use the ID CSS, but in the HTML we ID are used for uniquely identify the HTML element. The ID attribute is used to point a specific style declaration in a style sheet. It also in JavaScript to access or manipulate with a specific ID. Basically ID concept are used in mainly used for uniquely identify for JavaScript and CSS. Here we use Java CSS, then I am taking JavaScript program for ID. So I am giving here first of all here ID should be already declared document dot get element by id. My id name should be erased, and here id is demo id. But if I am giving HTML, HTML should be, I am typing such as this is example of JavaScript for id. Now save this file and check the output. Here the concept should be id is apply on only one HTML element. So the concept is id is we could uniquely identify for single use of id in each HTML element. So the concept of class and id should be basic. Concept of id and class should be clear. If any queries regarding this video, please comment me and subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching this video.